Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a cookie recipe. That is an improvement of an old one. You can find it here down in the description below and at the end of this video if you didn't watch it. But today's recipe is a suggestion from one of you. So I have to thank all the people that send me messages, commenting my video and helping me to get better with keto recipes. So let's go to prepare those amazing cookies. Last time I showed you how to prepare keto cookies using almond flour. So today I will prepare them with hazelnut one and you will be able to compare the results. So the ingredients are 300 grams of hazelnut flour, vanilla seeds, but you can also use a flavor or some cinnamon. Then 150 grams of unsalty butter and today's magic touch, 1 egg white. Let's start by melting our butter. It shouldn't be completely liquid, but very soft. To do that, you can use your microwave at medium heat or the bain-marie technique. Now we only have to blend all the ingredients together, our 300 grams of hazelnut flour with our melted butter, and to give an extra special touch, the vanilla seeds, and finally the egg white that will help to keep everything together. But do you remember which is the best thing of home cooking? Yes, it's personalizing your dishes for your taste. And in this case, some cinnamon could be perfect. You can sprinkle it on this mix, or you can eliminate the vanilla and go for a 100% cinnamon cookies. Chocolate is another amazing option, but on keto, remember that you can only use dark one. The darkest, the best. So I recommend this 99% that only has 8 grams of carbs for every 100 grams of product. So this entire 50 grams chocolate bar has only 4 grams of carbs. If you have a powerful blender, you can make your own powdered dark chocolate, so you can leave some bigger pieces that will be great to find in your cookies. To be able to blend chocolate, the bar should be very cold so it won't become a chocolate mousse. And here you can see how our dough looks like after blending all the ingredients together. And with the help of 2 pieces of saran wrap, one under our mix and the second one on top of it, we will be able to flatten the dough. In this way, it will be a very easy job, and after doing it, we should leave our flattened mix into the fridge for a few hours. Usually I prepare these cookies in the late afternoon, so the dough can rest overnight into my fridge. But recording this video, I did it on Sunday morning because the light is perfect. So see you in the afternoon for the final part of this recipe. Now that we take it to the fridge, I'm very happy to show you some of my keto groceries. I have a second fridge with meat, fish, cheese and charcuterie, but here you can see already some of my low-carb, high-fat deliciousness. afternoon. Our dough rested into the fridge for about 4 hours. So it's time to shape our keto treats with the help of some cookie cutters. In my previous cookies recipe, I choose flour. So now we will prepare some yummy stars. As you can see, I have different sizes, and this is a good opportunity to show you how even the biggest cookies will not crumble thanks to the egg white. Following my previous cookies recipe, some people had this problem, and I think it was caused by the different almond or hazelnut flour, because they use another brand, not the Swedish one that I buy in the supermarket. But adding 1 egg white, we solve this problem completely. After only 15 minutes into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, that are 320 Fahrenheit, your cookies will be ready, but leave them on the tray until they will be completely cold. Then you can put them on a serving plate and even frozen them. But now it's time for our test. Will this big cookie crumble or not? As you can see, it's perfectly cooked both sides, and I can tell you that it smells amazing. I will definitely enjoy it with an espresso coffee. But please, let me know if you have another delicious low-carb, high-fat combo for our stars. We could put the rest of the dough together and prepare more stars, but this is true life, so we go for the easiest way and bake them like they are. Smaller pieces will be very brown and bigger ones a little less. So choosing will be fun. My kids love this second tray of unshaped cookies. I really hope you liked today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a keto video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. See you next week, and thank you all.
You're gonna go and get help. Tell me that you're gonna go and get some help.